Hey guys, MamNXD here, and we're gonna be doing exploding science. So watch this. We put
there's
so
citric
much.
acid and baking soda. So let's
3,
get it to
2,
explode.
1.
Here, open it for a sec. Open it for a sec. Open it for a sec. Hurry, open it. Open it.
Now watch this, boys. We're shaking it again.
Here, fill it. Fill it with water. Then shake it up. Shake it up.
Oh jeez.
Shake. Put the cover on. Put the cover on and shake it up.
It's gonna blow up. I'm masturbating it. Sorry for my language, guys. Oh damn! Look at that. That's nasty. Shake it up. Shake it up, boys. Let's
Open it. Open it.
put it up.
Open it.
Ah, damn.
We need more of this and then more of the
It won't open. My hands are too slippery.
Here, hold it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Here, open this. Open this. Hold this.
1 second. My
I'm
hands
just
are.
gonna put her here. That was
Hurry.
a fail, so... Oh, Jesse, you messed up the toothbrushes. You're a faggot.
Shut up. Watch your language, Reese.
Bruh.
Watch your language.
Okay, so...
Hey guys, please subscribe, by the way. And please slap that like button. Go like this. Oh, gee.
Why won't it want to fizz?
You didn't put water in it.
Oh. I'm Naomi, bro.
Oh, jeez, bro. Shake it.
Shake it up. Shake it up. And shake it up. Oh, I broke it. What is this? Things are exploding everywhere. It's all over my hand and freaking burns.
Oh my God,
Oh,
boys.
these things are growing. What the hell are they?
Guys, that has been exploding. Literally exploding science.
So, have some vegetables.
Oh my God. Reese! Let's stir this up, boys. Put some baking soda in.
Citric acid with some baking soda.
Aw, you wasted all my baking soda. Oh my God, look at that.
And then put
Send
in some
my-
paper.
You dick smack. Sorry for my language, boys.
Here, let's just make that video.
Ah, you- Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Slap that like button and make sure to subscribe. Thanks you.